Hello, I'm Professor Khalid Al Malki. I'm honored to serve as the head of Phoniatrics Scientific Subcommittee at the EROC Global Forum 2026. The Phoniatrics Sessions at EROC 2026 will highlight the latest advances in voice, swallowing, and communication disorders. Topics will include AI-powered diagnostics and multidisciplinary rehabilitation of voice, swallowing, and other communication disorders. These activities will be led by international experts through lectures, courses, and hands-on workshops. Whether you are a phoniatrician, ENT surgeon, speech-language pathologist, or a researcher, you will gain valuable insights and a very accumulative networking opportunities that directly enhance your clinical care and academic growth. At our latest EROC Forum, over 20,000 delegates connected with more than 300 experts and speakers, of course, and attending over 70 scientific sessions and 400 lectures. Join us at Dubai at the EROC 2026 and be part of this global academic momentum. We look forward to welcoming you there.